This is a review of the 10-pack kitchen herb kit from Survival Garden Seeds. The brand did send this to me so that I can do a review. And I must say that this is a good curated collection of kitchen herbs that I typically use all the time and I have in my pantry. So we've got the Genovese basil, which is a large leaf basil. And then we've got the chives, which are it's got a mild onion flavor. We've got cilantro, that is a staple in cuisines all across the world. Then we've got dill. This is a compact dill, so it would probably be more suited for like containers. And then we've got the Homestead lavender. This is a more compact lavender. And then we've got marjoram, which is more of like a sweet and savory, spicy type herb that is really prominent in like French cuisine. Oregano is a very prominent herb in Italian, Spanish, and Mexican cuisines. This is the Giant of Italy parsley. It is a flat leaf parsley. And then we've got sage. I typically have used this in certain dishes like my meatloaf. And then last but not least, we have thyme. Thyme is a really delicious perennial herb. And all of these taste really delicious, whether they're fresh or whether you cut them and then dry them to experience throughout the season.